Welcome to my channel, Afri-kan. I'm Alexia, and I believe you can get your homework right, learn your Afrikaans, and everyone can be a little bit less frustrated or maybe less tears in terms of struggling with pronouncing, saying, remembering, spelling our Afrikaans homework. Okay. I'm here to help. Today's sound is the ear, like ear. Now, this sound you have to say with a big smile. I want to see the big whitey. Leer. Yeah, the bigger the smile, the bigger the E sound. It's two E's together. Ear. Yes, nice. Chubby cheeks, rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks. Yes, good. Leer. I'm going to cover the ear sound today. We're going to do some sentences. You're going to press your teacher tomorrow, get the stars, get the points, and know what's going on. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here we have our little boy. He's here, our friend, for the E klank. Ear. Nice big smile. Ear. Yes, he's in the middle of the word. So our first word is leer, a ladder. Leer, leer. So let's say it after me. Leer, leer. Good job. Good job. Next we have, oh, someone got hurt by the looks of it. I see it, he's crying. He got hurt, he's sore. So you see it, can you see it? You get hurt. Oh, shame piece. So let's say the word. Say after me. Seer. Seer. Oh, shame. Next, we have a little girlie. She's pointing to her neck. What is in your neck? Your throat. My keel. My keel. So often you hear, my keel is seer. My throat is sore. Perhaps you're thirsty, or you've got a cold, or you were shouting too much, or talking too much. Then your throat is sore. My keel is seer. Let's sound it out. K, E, L. Keel. My keel. Very good. Next, nice green fruit. Who knows what fruit this is? Good. Yes, a pear. Good job. A pear. Spelled almost the same in English as in Afrikaans. That was a nice close one. In English, it's P-E-R. P-E-A-R. And here it's a double E. So it's nice and close. Easy to remember. Pear. Let's sound it out. Say it with me. P-E-R. Pear. Very good. Oh, there's a nice friendly. Friendly what? A friendly bear. In English, it's a bear. In Afrikaans, a beer. Also, so close in the spelling. In English, it's B-E-R. In Afrikaans, B-E-R. Beer. Go. It's sounded out. Say after me. B-E-R. Beer. Very good. Very good. And here, nice wispy feather. A feather. Nice and soft. Think of how soft that feather is on your face, or when you feel it, when you find a bird feather. So soft. A feather. If you find one at break time today, or at home, on the way home, you bring it to school and say, teacher, juffrou, ek het 'n veer. I have a feather. Good job. Okay, here we go. Let's sound it out. Ear, fear. Oh, but now I heard a f, but I saw a v. Now remember, in Afrikaans, the V makes a f sound. The V makes a f sound. So fear. Nice. Oh, I know which my doggies would love this. This is a bone. Dit is a been. The bones. Also spelled similar, but not this close. Let's sound it out. B, E, N. Okay, say it with me. B, E, N. Been. It's going to be a dog bone or the bone in your leg. If you tap your leg, you can feel, oh, these bones in your elbows and in your fingers, your bones there, your been. Bien. And here is the word meer, which is the word more. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 3 eggs. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs. So there is less and here is more. Hier is meer, daar is minder. So meer, that we're looking for the word more. More eggs, meer. So ek het meer. I have more. Here's 3 and here's 10. 3 en 10 eiers. Daar is meer hier. There's more over here. So let's sound out the word. Say it after me. Ear. R. Good. Meer. Let's say it again. One or after the other. Leer. Seer. Keel. Peer. Beer. Veer. Been. Meer. Good, good. That all sounded very good. Now let's think of a sentence. So if teacher asked you tomorrow, oh, give me a sentence with one of the words. Put your hand up and you can know, yay, I've got a good sentence. I can get a star or a point. Okay, let's start with, oh, it's getting cold now. Keel. So let's say, my keel is seer. That's a good one. My throat is sore. Okay, I'll break it up into short pieces and you can say it afterwards to practice. So, my keel is seer. Good. Say it again. My keel is seer. We actually use 2 words there. Oh, double points. Seer and keel. Good job. Let's think of another one. Oh, maybe the beer. We can say, I see a brown bear. Ek sien 'n bruin beer. So nice, a bit longer. Okay, we describe him nicely. Ek sien 'n bruin beer. So I see a brown bear. Okay, let's try it again. Say, I'll do it slowly in short pieces for you to remember or write down. Ek sien 'n bruin beer. Good. Then you got 2 sentences. One nice long one with a nice describing word. And you've got the first other sentence with 2 words from the list. Yay. Well done. Well done. Give yourself a round of applause. Yay. Well done. Well done. Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Please like and subscribe so you know where to find the sound again if you're going to practice every day to do your homework and do your sound. Teachers, please like and subscribe so you can find me again quickly. If you're looking for a lesson or a sound that you're not sure about or a list to do or your phonics lists. If you like the posters I use in a flash. You can find on Facebook. I'll put up the picture and the link. And have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.